Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian Luis Mendoza. Din po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, April 4, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy natin series which is sa seminary mission. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about eschatology. Katapusan na nga ba ng panahon? Now, ang ating talata po ay magagamit sa Revelations chapter 21 verses 1 to 4. Sabi ko dito, basahin ko po, a new heaven and a new earth. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away, and there was no longer any sea. I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, Look, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and he will dwell with them. They will be his people, and God himself will be with them and be their God. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. Now, ating ito mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion. Maintindihan natin ang ibig sabihin ng talatang binasa ko. Ngayon po tayo pwede damo sa ating revisions for today. So, una po, sabi po dito, basahin ko po, God controls the future. So, kahit anumang mangyari, no matter how uncertain life gets, ang ating Diyos pa rin po ang in charge sa lahat. Yung plano niya, it is perfect and wala pong makabago dito kahit sino pa man. Dalawa po, Jesus will return in glory. Jesus isn't finished. Hindi pa po siya tapos because He will come again with power and glory to reign forever. So, yung pagbabalik niya is certain and it is victorious. Ikatlo po, creation will be a story. God will renew everything. So, yung pain, yung death, yung brokenness natin, it will be wiped out. His perfect creation will definitely be restored. So, ngayon po, tayo pagdadako sa ating meditation. So, ito po yung mga dapat natin gawin. Una po, fear not, but trust God for the future. Since ang Diyos po ang may control sa lahat, we don't have the reason para mamuhay tayo ng may takot. We can place our confidence sa Kanyang plano and rest in His promises. Ikalawa po, live with eschatological purpose. So, since ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo po ay muling magbabalik, tayo po, we are called to live with eternity in mind. Faithful, watchful, and we are focused on ano ba talaga yung mga bagay na nagtutuloy matter. And last but not least po, hope in Christ eternal. So, in times of challenges, in times of suffering, dapat we anchor our hope in Christ's promise to make all things well. So, sa pamamagitan nito, it will bring us strength and joy. So, marami po tayong tutunan sa